Powwow, exploring life's amazements.
Welcome to this tutorial on how to create amazing animated videos using the power of AI. In this video, I'll guide you through each step, from crafting a story script with ChatGPT to adding video subtitles with VED.io. 1. ChatGPT. 2. Leonardo AI. 3. LeiaPix AI. 4. ElevenLabs. 5. VED.io. 6. Filmora. Let's get started. Getting started is really easy. Open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. And click on ChatGPT. If you haven't used it before, you might need to sign up or log in. Once you're in, you'll see a neat and easy-to-use screen. Now that you're in, it's time to set the stage for your story. Type your prompt into the box below. Imagine we're making a video about exploring a mysterious island. Now, ChatGPT will generate the story you've prompted. When you're happy with your story, it's time to shut down the browser and let your masterpiece take a break. With our script all set, let's now move on to bringing the scenes to life visually. Let's open a browser and search for Leonardo AI in the Google search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the official website link for Leonardo AI. This will take you to the Leonardo AI webpage. Now, you have the option to either create a new account or click on Start using Leonardo, located in the top right corner of the screen, and log in with your existing account. Upon logging in, the Leonardo AI interface will open. You will receive a daily allocation of 150 tokens for generating images, as indicated. Proceed by clicking on the AI image generation button in the menu on the left-hand side. This action will prompt a new menu to appear. From this menu, select the 3D animation style and then choose the Leonardo style option. In the image dimension box, opt for the 16:9 ratio, as it provides the best image results. Next, select a passage from our script and paste it into the AI image generation box. Afterward, click on the Generate button and allow Leonardo AI to perform its magic. Take a moment to appreciate the incredible image that Leonardo AI generates. You can then proceed to download these images. Take a look at this amazing image generated by Leonardo AI. This visual will serve as a valuable guide for our animated video. Now, we'll use LeiaPix AI to bring our images to life. LeiaPix AI can turn still images into captivating animated scenes. Let's search for LeiaPix AI. And click on the official link. The LeiaPix webpage will open. On that page, click on the plus sign to upload images. The images will be processed online to transform your image into an animated video. You can also edit the animation speed, animation style, etc. from the menu option. See how the waves move and the trees sway, all thanks to the power of AI. To download, click on the Share button. A pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, select MP4 or any other format you prefer. After that, click the Save button. and your animation video will be downloaded. Now, let's give our characters a voice using ElevenLabs AI. This tool can convert text into realistic speech. First, go to the ElevenLabs website. Click on the Get Started free button and either sign up or sign in. On the main page, find and click on Speech Synthesis in the menu bar. This will take you to another page where you can control the voice model. You can adjust things like voices, speech speed, pitch, and even change the language. Now, let's take the text of the story we created earlier with ChatGPT. Copy and paste that text into the provided text box on the new page. After that, click on the Generate button below the text box. The AI will instantly generate the voice for the text.
In a world shrouded with mysteries, there are places that beckon the curious, places untouched by time. And one such place is the enigmatic Isle of Veradora.
Finally, you can click on the Download button to save the generated voice. Veed Artificial Intelligence Powered Tool converts spoken words into on-screen subtitles. Visit Veed.io and click on the Start for Free button. On the next screen, select Upload a file and choose your desired voice file. Your voice file will be uploaded here. Then follow the subsequent steps as displayed on the screen. After clicking Create Subtitle, the subtitle overlays will be generated. You can customize them in the subtitle menu. Finally, click Download section to download your edited voice file. Lastly, we'll use Filmora tool for video editing. This software allows us to merge all our elements into a seamless final video. Let's open the Filmora software and select the 16:9 aspect ratio for the video. Then click on New Project. Now, by clicking on Click here to import media, we will import our animated scenes, add voiceovers, and synchronize everything to the background music. In Filmora, with just basic knowledge of video editing and a few drag and drop actions, we can create attractive animated videos.
In a world shrouded with mysteries, there are places that beckon the curious.
Here's a small sample of an animation video that was created using the power of artificial intelligence tools and Filmora.
Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, lived a little squirrel named Sammy.